in Tagaytay City. What's your favorite spot here in
Library.
Good afternoon. What is your opinion about our school?
Madami ka dito pwede sa school library natin. Saka sa mga magagandang na teacher na nagtuturo sa atin.
As a Tisingan, what is your opinion about our school? Tingin ko to po dito what is your favorite spot here in As a Tisingan, what is your opinion about our school?
Opinion ko dito, maganda yung fasilidad, maganda yung mga room. Magagaling magturo mga teacher.
What is your favorite spot here in Tisingan?
Canteen. Palagi ako busog yun.
The statue of Jose Rizal shows him standing in formal attire, holding a book as a symbol of his intelligence and patriotism. His calm and dignified expression represents his bravery, wisdom, and lasting contribution to the freedom of the Philippines. Library is a quiet and organized place filled with books, tables, and study areas. It provides a peaceful environment where the students can read, research, and focus on their schoolwork. The shelves are neatly arranged and the atmosphere encourages learning and concentration. The canteen is a clean and organized place where the students buy food and drinks. It has tables and chairs arranged neatly, with food stalls offering snacks, meals, and refreshments. The atmosphere is lively and comfortable, making it a convenient spot for eating and taking a break. Clinic is a clean and well-organized place where the students or people can receive medical care. It has beds, medical equipment, and a staff of nurses or doctors ready to provide treatment and first aid. The environment is calm and safe, ensuring the health and well-being of those who visit.